Welcome back to Fire and Lemon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to show you about me and my son building a workbench together, doing a little bonding in the process and building a nice workbench. So stick around.
Fire and Lemon, we're all about being happy, healthy, and impactful.
That's right.
I found over the years that Jeff is more happy when he's got something that he's working on, whether it's a project around the house or building something outside.
Yeah, I'm a fidgety guy. I need to do stuff. I can't sit still normally, so.
But you're very happy when you have your sons working with you.
Very happy. They might not be as happy as I am because I got free labor, but at the end, I really do think that they do appreciate it. And
they learn a lot.
They learn a lot, and we bond, which is nice. And this whole project here, or even this video, really actually started with my youngest son sending me a text saying, asking if I have any projects on the go and if he could help out.
He obviously wanted something to do himself.
He was probably bored just like me. Unfortunately, I didn't have anything, but I jumped on the chance and asked him, maybe we could build something for him. And well, he's into RC cars and he wanted a workbench so he could work on them because they always break. So there came the workbench. And to be quite frank, I thought we could do it in the weekend.
Yeah.
I usually underestimate the time or the money it takes. In this case, it was a little bit of both. So, but we went ahead and it took us probably 3 or 4 weeks to do it.
We had lots of bonding time.
We had lots of bonding time and some different weather we worked through. So we put this video together and I hope you guys like it. So the first step was we sat down and we figured out the design. So here we go. Okay, so you want a workbench, right? The first thing that we need to do is understand, what it is that you'll be using it mostly for. And then we have to create a design for that. So explain to me what you really need this bench for.
Well, okay, so I want a workbench and I could care less about looks.
Right.
Something that I can lead up.
Yep.
Doesn't have to support a crazy amount of weight, but it does have to support a little bit.
Okay.
It's got to have power for any tools and whatnot.
Okay.
It's got to have some lighting in it too.
Okay, so you can see.
Yeah.
You're going to use it mostly for your RC tools and equipment. So you need like soldering irons and things like that.
Stuff like that. I'm thinking 3 feet by 4.
4 feet. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so we understand, so we can do it kind of on the cheap with not like all good hardwood wood, so we'll go out and buy some cheaper wood, right? And we'll make that work. That sound good? Get this set up. Where's your wood? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is cut this size. So we want to set up for 29 inches with our guard. Right. Okay, the only thing we want to do is take off the edge. We want to do a quick little slice, right? Just to take off the burr. You don't want to take off too much meat, and you want to go kind of on a 45 angle, right? Just like that. You're not taking off much, but you can see you're just taking off a little bit, right? marked our hole, right? But what we need to do is move this forward a little bit. That way, when the mating piece, when this piece goes through here, right, it pulls this piece that way, right? Mm-hmm. Go into the center, right? Go over to this side.
Is Mila?
I'm ready, baby.
Getting there. Should be right for us up.
We'll do the top one. Now bigger.
You're gonna cut off your finger?
No.
I can. Good?
Yep. As long as you don't cut off my fingers. Look at that fresh cut.
God forbid Dad sees you going like that. You have to use the entire length. Kids
Oh, there's things coming at me. Save the camera, woman. Did that one scare you too?
Nah.
Did you mess it up?
Yeah.
Nobody has to see that except everyone.
Oh, look at that. Artsy fartsy.
I can't see it though. Okay, go.
that was a ton of work.
Yeah.
But man, I must say, I really enjoyed my time with you building this table. It's quite an amazing table. You know, to me, family is the most important thing. And of course, spending time with my family is very important. So when Jordan sent me that text, I jumped on it and I thought, let's do that.
Yeah.
So we worked hard, we built a beautiful table, and I think we need to celebrate now. Let's have a beer. Cheers.
That's good. And you know what? We've always done these projects like, you know, pulling at the stump, building sheds,
Yeah.
fixing roofs, and all this. And I may not have enjoyed it in the moment, but looking back, it has done a lot of good for me. It's had a good impact on me, and you know, I enjoy doing this kind of stuff with you.
Excellent. And you know what? I really did enjoy myself. Looking forward to the next project we do together. But for now, I appreciate everybody watching us. Thank you. If you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And this is a great time. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, Fire and Lemon, please do so. And hit that notification so you know what our next video is. We are planning on releasing one video every single week. So I hope to see you back here next week.